This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your song as your ringtone on your Android phone. So you can just swipe down from the top right, go to settings right here, scroll on down to sound and vibrations and just select this. And you can see the different options on here for your ringtone. So you can see I have Yankee Doodle on here. Now in the top right of your Samsung, you should be able to see like a plus icon. You can go to that. Otherwise on my Google Pixel, I can just go to My Sound. And I can find sounds I've downloaded to my phone. So if I go to the plus icon right here, I can search in different spots like my downloads folder. But to get different audio and stuff like that, just go to the Google Play Store. You can get something called Zedge. So if you just go to search and go to Zedge, Z-D-G-E, go ahead and get this application right here and open it up. So you don't have to pay for this in any way. You can just hit the X. But you can go to a song or, like video game music or something like that. Halo. Just make sure it's not by Beyonce. Let's go to Halo theme. And then we can go to like ringtones and stuff like that. And here's the Halo theme. So we can tap this, go to the download option, and then we can set it as our ringtone. Just like that. Boom. It's set as our ringtone now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.